Hey, good morning, guys. So it is Tuesday, the 31st of December, the last day of 2024. Not morning anymore, it's just hit 12 o'clock. So it's 12 o'clock Central European, so it's 11 o'clock UK. So let's have a look at where we're at. We are still bullish on the monthly. That's the thing, is unless we have a big sell-off today, this afternoon, we might be okay. Positives I'm taking at this moment in time is we're still bullish on relative price, even though we do have divergence. This could do whatever. I mean, it can come back. We're still bullish on the monthly. That's one thing I really want everyone to take into account. Whip trend still bullish on the monthly, even though it looks like it's rolling over. But we can have this here, and then we can have another push. So let's keep an eye on that. On the weekly, these were some bearish candles here. Um, I'll not look into historical to see if I've had it before, but yeah, for the last few weeks we've been saying in here, guys, be careful. Any pushes, maybe we can begin now for a little while, sidestep the market. We had a print on the 9th of December that it was a sell, so we've had this here. The only thing is the strength in this sell-off. She has some work to do to then start rolling around, or we would need a V reversal like this and then a push down. So right now we're in this kind of situation, aren't we? Not necessarily as beautiful and rounded as that, but we do have, V reversals that happen. So we could end up with a V reversal and we could go again, but it could also take a couple of weeks or something. But I mean, this was a nice slow one. This is a bit more aggressive. This is a bit more of an aggressive sell-off. Um, and yeah, basically, we need to just like explore all the avenues and just be very careful. So we're still bullish on the weekly, should I say. We've dropped below the moving averages of relative price. So if we come over here, yeah, we did that over there as well, and then we had a really good push. So it can happen, but we're still above the zero line. We're not a sell on the weekly relative price. So I'm not worried too much at the moment. What we do have over here on relative price, we've got this sell off here, and then we've got this other push here. So we've got divergence on relative price on the daily, but the 2 daily is strong on the bear. So it's all a bit mixed, the data we've got here. The 3 days now coming to the zero line. And yeah, we kind of need to see some kind of push here, and get going again. Down on this is the weekly here. You can just see it's pushed down. We've got the 1, 2, and 3. We are trending bearish at the moment, so something big has to happen to flip that. On the 1 hour, 4 hours just turning into a buy on the total market cap. On the 4 hour chart, 4 hour is just turning into a buy. The 1 hour is already a buy, but then the daily and the 8 hour have some work to do again to get up there. And we're a buy on the 4 hour on whip trend as well. So bearing all that in mind, we're bullish on the higher time frames. Daily's not looking amazing. But we could have divergence on relative price. And then the 4 hour looks like she is trying to break these levels, but she is struggling to get above these, isn't she? Where we can see the 14 EMAs on the 4 hour and then the center of the percentile bands indicator we have. So looking down at blue chips. Oh, I've drawn on that. Oh, yeah, sorry. So looking down on the blue chips, we're not bullish on anything. On the daily, we're not really looking that there's any strength in anything. Let's clear all the drawings down here. Yeah, this is what I hoped for, and we might have that now. It might start going up. At least B&B's done that. Remove 4 drawings. Yeah, so BNB is the only one that's kind of bullish around here. Um, just wondering how and why that is, whether it's people are going maybe into BNB a bit more. I'm not sure. Okay, yeah, but anyway, on the daily, we're not looking amazing at buying opportunities. Where's the strength? If we were going to find any strength in anything, this Solana, um, BNB's been having this push, but looks like it could roll over. Litecoin looks like it's going to get going, and we can see that there. Yeah, so Litecoin looks like it might have a move. Anything else looking strong? No, not really. Ave, not looking good at all over there. So yeah, I think the only one I can really see anything maybe shaping up is Litecoin at the moment, and then this would need to print at the end of today to be bullish. So at the moment, be careful, and Solana. So it's Litecoin and Solana. Solana's got the strength there, and she is going, she is moving. Let's drop to the 4 hour and see if we can see anything there for the bounce. So again, over here we can see, what we. Uh, mhm. Okay. Yeah, looking here on the 4 hour, who's looking good there? We've got a few, haven't we? So Solana, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin are turning into buys by the looks of things. One thing we do have to be careful with is obviously it is the end of the month. This is something that, I've been seeing people talk in my group, and I'm just like, yeah, it's the end of the month. We just need to be careful. Um, 4 hours is a buy on a lot of things. It's just the strength is more with these four at the moment that we just mentioned. Litecoin, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and BNB's trying. Um, Bitcoin is mixed. That's mixed. Nice V reversal. What time is that? There. So 9 o'clock was a bullish print, which is good. Yeah, I like the look of that. BNB looks like it's turning into a sell on the 4 hour. XRP looks like it's turning into a buy on the 4 hour. Who else? Neo could get going. VChain could get going. XLM looks like it could get going. Quant looks like it could get going. Link could, but it looks like they outperform. It might underperform XRP. Mixed bag on Solana, but a V reversal. Um, AVAX looking good. So on the 4 hour, we look like we're trying to make moves, guys. So need to bear in mind these four here now above their moving averages, and we have sorry above the zero line, and we have quite a few others that look, I like the V reversals, don't I? So Litecoin, Solana, maybe AVAX, and then Progressive looks XRP and XLM, which those two do move together. Do suggest if you're going to be in if you have both of those, maybe you can reduce your risk and stick with one. And then, just monitor that on who's going to outperform who. Movers, where are we? Okay, so Pepe is looking good there. Yeah, Pepe is looking good there. Um, who else? No one really else on the daily. There's just Pepe going for it there. I think Pepe is a bit more of an established meme coin. So if people are thinking, oh, I've had enough of this meme coin space, they might just go into some of these, more established projects. So that's something we need to bear in mind. Um, Buy, yeah, weekly sell. Okay, so we've got a lot of work to do because we're going to hit this weekly. If we do get going from here on the daily, we're going to have this the weekly to contend with. And we're still going. We're still like early in the week, aren't we? It's Tuesday, so just month end. We've got all these little things to take into account. So fetch is a bit mixed. Render's a bit mixed. Inge is a bit mixed. Cass. Tau is underperform. This looks good. Like Sui might have a bit of a push. PolyX, bit of a mix, turning into a sell there. GRT comp dot. Yeah, Pepe looks good there. Doge is a buy against most things. It needs to print into a really solid buy there. Shiba and Floki. And then what else have we got? We've got Pepe and Sui. Uh, Pepe, Sui, Doge, and Floki. Um, that's a nice move. That actually three. It's like an 8%. No, sorry about that. No, 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 no. Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's break it down. We've got those four that are potentially going for it. We're a buy on there. We've got Fetch is potentially turning into a buy, but not ready over here yet. Um, Render, Insta, Cas, Tau, Sui, Poly, GRT looks like it could be turning into a buy. Comp looks like it could be turning into a buy. Pepe is a buy from 5 o'clock this morning. Um, Yeah, 5 o'clock this morning. Has it moved since 5 o'clock? So that's nine. That's five. 5 o'clock. That's 0.5%. Yeah, 5%. Just shy of 5% on Pepe since this morning's really positive buy signal across the board. We're turning into a positive buy signal now on Floki. And yeah, on actually a few of these. Interesting. So let's go to focus. Let's have a look at yeah, let's have a look at Pepe. Pepe USDT. So look at this. Yeah, we're below that median there, aren't we? I'm gonna buy over here. Looking good. Looking good against everything else. This is looking good. Um, and then over here, yeah, we've had this huge push. Yeah, I expect price. Price can keep going from here, but normally expect it to come around to the median. Let's keep an eye on that because it looks strong at the moment, doesn't it? Rolling into a sell on the 1 hour. So this is where we could come back to this level. And that would be healthy. You know, we want healthy until it's like Super Bowl run and everyone's going crazy and throwing more money in. So at the moment, we're turning into a nice sell. Um, but everything else is really strong. Who else was there? Litecoin USDT. Okay, mixed bag, turn into a buy against a few things. It's a buy against everything else there. This is still pointing down. We've had this and this. So this is still pointing down. So in this situation, we could quite easily, pull back to these levels. But I mean, if the market really wants to get going, we could just keep going from here. This is the thing, is like we do need to be aware of how the indicators work. But like, yeah, daily. Weekly is bearish, daily bullish, 4 hour bullish, 1 hour looking a bit toppy, but these can just straighten out and keep going. I do feel we're going to come back to $99 though. And who else? XRP, wasn't it? USDT. And the XRP USDT. Yes, huge candle. Mamma mia candle. This, I like this. It's not like it's been a huge push down, like an up and a down, where it's quite an aggressive decline. It's quite a flat decline, which to me would mean that people are still buying it. Daily is a sell, 4 hour is a buy. So the 4 hour buy was around here this morning, wasn't it? And that was when we're in the bottom bands. So we could have easily said, you can easily go from 2015 to two. Yeah, you could have made like three pence or something per coin, 4 pence. And right now we're over here. We're bullish on the 1 hour. Market looks to be rolling over a bit, but XRP has some work to do because this is a bearish push down here for me. So we've got some work to do, but monthly and weekly, we're still bullish on XRP. And then I think the other one was Solana, wasn't it? Solana. Oh, let's do Sol USDT. Oh, Solana USDT. Yep. So turning into sell over here. No, we're still good actually on the coin itself, but bearish against everything else. There is Solana. Um, Weekly turning into nothing at the moment. Daily looks like it could start get going. And then what else? Mixed, but yeah, no, looks like it's going. It's trying to go again. Apart from Litecoin, Litecoin looks better. And then again over here on the 1 hour, it's bullish, but the Litecoin looks better. So again, I expect it to come back to this level of 191. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I'll release this now. Please like and subscribe, all that jazz. Trade safe, keep safe. Any questions, ask away, and I'll see you in the next one.